Hello, I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. This is Sopan Suryoshi and I make a video for educational purpose. Today I have made a video for spoken English. If you are first on my channel, please do not forget to like my video and do subscribe my channel. Friends, as we know that English is very important language in our life. For if you want to know the importance of English language, then I will tell you that English is spoken on international platform. It is used in international trade. It is the official language of all global institutes. All prestigious global institutes implement their syllabus in English medium. There is big scope for job opportunities in English language. That is why everyone is admitting their children in English medium school. So many people are beginning English medium school. Everyone is behind English language. Everyone. Someone is joining coaching classes, someone is joining foundation course. But friends, you all knew that English is taught as first language, second language and third language in all over the world. If we think about our country, my country, I live in India, and in my country it is taught as third language, and it is also taught as second language in some part of my country. Friends, let us see how language is developed. There are four basic skills of any language. The four basic skills are as listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are basic skills of language. Reading, writing and listening. All these skills are developed during school time. But developing all these three skills is possible, but developing the skill of speaking is little bit challenging work. Many people listen, read, write, understand, but they are getting problem in spoken English. One question was hovering in my mind: why this is happening? Why people are not speaking English fluently? After I realized the basic reason behind this problem after a big research. I came to know that there is a lack of practice, there is a lack of climate of spoken English, there is there is a big fear among people about spoken English. There is a big fear among people about spoken English. People shy to speak. People hesitate to speak English. They shy about their mistakes while speaking English. Friends, if you want to if you are in search of simple way of developing your spoken English, then I have a solution. Friends, speaking any language is like learning to swim. Unless you jump into the water, you cannot learn to swim. This is like speaking English is like learning to swim. You cannot learn to swim by sitting out of water. You must jump into the water. You will automatically try to move your legs and hands to save yourself. Then you will automatically learn to swim English. Swim in water. It is like that. Unless you start to speak English, you cannot speak English. Let us see now. All we know that vocabulary plays important role in linguistic development of any person. Vocabulary is the first major important factor in language development. Then, according to my opinion, the second important factor is tense. You must know how to transform one sentence into all 12 subkinds of main tense. You should know how to speak in all 12 types of tense. As soon as you speak in all 12 types of tense, then you can easily speak English language. It will help you to speak English language. Then the third important factor is that synthesis of sentence. It is part of grammar, but you must know how to join sentences. So you should be perfect in synthesis of sentences. Then next important factor is that degree. You should know to speak in all type of degrees. It is frequently used in speaking any language. So you must learn to speak in all three types of degrees. Then friends, now I will give you some friends. Next important factor is that you should be able to ask personal information question. You should also be able to frame question beginning with who, why, when, what, where, who, whose, whom, whose, how. You should be perfect in framing the question beginning with this. questioning words. Then friends, you should now I will recommend you to decorate your personal library with important books like Modern Oxford Dictionary. You should have English Rapidex. You should also have a grammar book written by B.S. Kade. Uh, all these important books should be in your personal library. All these books will help you lot for improving your spoken English. Friends, if you want to achieve advanced stage in spoken English, then friends, you must follow some uh, follow some important noted professors which uh, who are taking who are taking their lectures on YouTube channels. Friends, before social media age, uh, we had to uh, we had to go to foreign country for attending the lecture of noted professors. But today, uh, because of social media, YouTube channel, Facebook, and network, uh, uh, the important lecture of professors are easily available on all social media. So you should take benefit of uh, all these lectures of noted professors who are working in prestigious global institutes, and their lectures are available free of cost. So you should guide it to your children to take benefit of all these lectures. Friends, if you want to achieve further progress in your spoken English, then you should admit your children in MOOC. What is MOOC? MOOC is the long form of MOOC is Massive Online Open Course, and some MOOCs are freely available on network. So you should you should admit your children in MOOC. You can systematically improve the spoken English of your children. Friends, see you soon in another video, especially about spoken English. Friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and you may share my video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.